Good morning, I'm meteorologist Steve Krasnowski with your weather briefing storm scoop update. It is Thursday, December 3rd, 2020, and we'll just call this one December 3rd because it's mostly December 3rd weather out there, so let's see what that weather looks like. With another potential storm on the medium range horizon, it's time to take a closer look at the pattern with a bit of water vapor satellite analysis. We have a really interesting semi-block split flow pattern here. Though the zonal flow across northern Canada is keeping the Arctic cold locked up, which is stopping us from having a full-blown snowstorm possible this Sunday, or Saturday and Sunday. But more on that in a moment. California's outlook, super dry. In fact, we might as well just call it Drycember. This is the outlook until December 16th. This is not going to be helpful for the wildfires that still remain. They'll be getting no help, and that's pretty sad. That's a travesty. Pacific Northwest, like I said a month ago, is wet, wet, wet. Another couple inches of rain pushing through there. Long time since fire talk. This is a little too far down the forecast runway to get too concerned about yet, but some stronger offshore wind events could be lurking next week, Monday and again midweek till Thursday, so we'll have to watch this closely as fuel moistures have switched back to October dry again. So again, those fires really do need, the firefighters do need some help. Here's the European on our storm for the weekend. The European is pretty consistent at this point. Here are the winds that we will also have to contend with. 20, 30 knots. Question is, does the wind machine return to New England or not? Large differences in all three ensemble systems, including the UK Met. Split flow definitely offers potential with possible merging streams. We talked about that yesterday. Hence many deep, strong solutions here. Something to watch closely, but that's why we have the models all coming out with something different. The GFS we'll show you in a moment. Actually, we'll show you all the models in a moment. This is the NAM, which has now joined the party. Pretty good thumping of snow for western Massachusetts, parts of northwestern Connecticut. Brings snows all the way back into New York City. Depends again on the track of this low. GFS is still holding on. It is a little stronger than the previous run, but again, it's still a little out to sea. It's not very amplified. Here's some nerdy stuff. The atmospheric Enso index is indicating the strongest coupling between the atmosphere and the La Nina oceanic conditions we've seen in years. So this coupling signature only amplifies throughout the boreal winter. So this should have a pretty big effect on what's going on. And then this is the long-range tropical forecast, likely with no skill, but just wanted to share. Let's just bring this back up into here. So the latest CanSIPS forecasts for the summer and the fall of next year looks identical, almost nearly identical to what happened this year. So if correct, would mean another active hurricane season, hopefully not record-breaking, but you never know. And finally, well, I don't even want to go there. Let's hold on to that one. Let's end it here. I think we talked enough. A lot to talk about tomorrow. We'll really start needling this this storm threat. We'll come up with maybe some predictions and some vague outlooks. See you then.